everyone, welcome to Tianjin Chengyuan Chemical Company. Our company is the processing and the sales of caustic soda-based chemical enterprises. Caustic soda is also called the sodium hydroxide, widely used in petroleum, chemical industry, metallurgy, pharmaceutical, electric planting, paper making, and any other fields. Is the most basic alkali raw material in the chemical industry. Caustic soda has caustic soda flakes, caustic soda pills, caustic soda liquid, and caustic soda solid flakes. Among them, the export volume is larger. Caustic soda flakes